installing our Fire Wrap fiber tape kit. This is just a straight fiber tape kit. One roll, 2 inch by 60 inches. Comes with everything you need to repair a handle. Today we'll be repairing a handle. This one's been cracked. We actually cut it. If it was cut all the way through or cracked all the way through, you'd want to secure it with some sort of tape first, maybe hockey tape, athletic tape, even duct tape, and then repair it with our fiber tape kit here. So this comes with everything you need. It comes with the actual fiber tape, and it comes with a compression roll. You're going to open that up first, get that opened up, and then also, of course, some gloves, right? So you're going to want to prep hot water and maybe a sharp knife to cut it. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to wrap this completely and repair this handle. So I'll show you how quick it is. This fiber tape could be used for making a grip kit. You could put it over some sort of lacing in the grip area here if you wanted to do a grip kit with this, but it's just a simple industrial made in USA fiber tape kit here. So we're going to open it up. You're going to want to wet it for up to 10 seconds, and then you're going to wrap it and compress it within 15 seconds if you want with this, or you can just use your hands. So I'm going to get the tape out. I'm going to dunk it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off. You're going to want to start at least 1.5 inches past that cut if you can, or the crack, or whatever is in your tape or in your handle. Gradually increase tension and then pull it nice and tight. And you're going to want at least 2 layers, if not more, you know, in any one area of the crack. And then I've gone at least 1.5 inches past. I'm going to come back around and I'm just going to wrap this whole thing up right through here, nice and tight. Thicken up this whole thing, make sure it's nice and strong this way. Wrap it all the way through, pull it tight, spread resin. You know, if you're pretty quick about it, then you can use this to compress it real quick. This just helps compress it together. You can leave that on there for up to 30 seconds. You can pull it real tight, squeeze it, and then make sure you don't leave it on there for more than 30 seconds. Otherwise, it'll start sticking to it. But it does kind of help compress everything. Otherwise, you can just use your hands to compress that. Nice and tight. And this will take about 5 minutes to cure. I would give it, 20 to 30 minutes. And then this tape will be rock solid. This is a fiberglass tape, repair tape, to help to repair that handle, and it'll be stronger than the day it broke. Ours, we actually had a slice in there. Another thing you could do is put some glue in there, some epoxy, and then end up wrapping it nice and tight, but it'll help repair that handle completely. So that is the install process on just our fiber tape kit. So again, you could do it in a grip, you could do it repair a handle, you could use it as an overstrike guard on the axe, but super simple fiber tape kit, made in USA, actual fiberglass instead of polyester, so it's a little bit stiffer, a little bit stronger. Give us about 30 minutes and it's ready to go.